So we originally started with the IP journey in 2016, primarily because as a team of managers we were looking for something to benchmark us, to make sure that we were doing things right. We measured lots of things in the organisation. We never found anything that could measure how good we were as managers. So we found the framework and thought that would be a good thing to try. So what Platinum means for us, from my perspective, is that actually it's validation of all the things we've been doing. It was never about the colour of the badge. That wasn't the important thing. It was always about the journey, and the fact that we've got that external validation. I think that gives everybody greater motivation to carry on the journey, which absolutely hasn't finished.
I think it's a really good external sort of recognition and validation of what we already feel here, because people who've been here a long time already feel the difference, and new starters have come in and can feel the difference from other places they've worked. So I think we've felt it for a while, so It's nice that we've got it, but we've been living Platinum for a long time anyway.
COVID was really important to our Investors in People journey, so when we furloughed everybody, we spent those 3 weeks looking at what we were trying to achieve as a business from the people point of view, and actually realised that there were a few people in the organisation that were actually blocking all our initiatives, not through ill intent, just because they were busy doing task-oriented things rather than people-oriented things. So when we came back after COVID, we decided to shake up the organisation. So we actually didn't bring back the HR team. So we made sure that the line managers, senior team, were responsible for HR, as opposed to having a separate HR department that everyone would run to. And genuinely, I think that was the biggest thing that we did, that made sure that everybody was then committed to it and everybody was held accountable for it, and they didn't have that excuse.
And that was a big part of Gold, wasn't it? When we went from silver to gold, we swapped the ownership from the managers and the senior leadership team telling people what to do to actually the management team owning it. What are you going to do with your team? What are your ideas? And put it more in their court. It was a collaborative vote of going for gold, and then the same with going for platinum. We didn't just decide to do that and tell them. We asked them if they wanted to, and they wanted to go on that journey.
Yeah, and I think we spent more time and effort investing in training, coaching, developing the teams. Certainly the senior leadership, the management team, so that they were better equipped to deal with their colleagues in their teams.
And the teams got used to being asked their opinion more, and for any suggestions and farming out ideas, and they were seeing their ideas come to life and be used and getting feedback on it, and that really helped motivate them to carry on.
I think as it's cascaded down, people have really seen what we've seen as a leadership team, in that understanding who you are as a person and the people that you work with on a personal level does have a difference on how you're motivated and therefore how you perform at work. And I think that's what we've seen probably at all levels, is obviously varying degrees, but at all levels we've seen that as people understand themselves better, as people get to know each other better, actually productivity gets better as well. So it is a business decision.
So in terms of what does the future bring now we've attained platinum, it was really important for us, and we've had several meetings with the team, and actually now we've widened the team to involve supervisors, managers, senior managers and the senior leadership team, and actually everybody has bought into it because they're proud of what we've done, so they don't want to stop. We recognise that the platinum level with Investors in People is as far as you can go, so us being a challenging organisation and one that wants to continue to improve, have come up with our own Starglaze Platinum Plus. So we're currently in the process of rolling that out to the team. As I said before, it's about a journey. The journey doesn't stop. We're never going to arrive at the destination. We're always going to be continuing to make tomorrow better than today.